Have you always wanted to be able to whip up a portrait of a friend or your favourite actor? Have you tried drawing a face but it turned out looking kind of weird or maybe more like a cartoon than a real person? I'm Emily from the Pencil Room, and in this course I'll teach you how to draw realistic looking faces from photographs. Not only that, I'll teach you how to draw faces that actually look like the person you're trying to draw. There are plenty of courses out there that teach you how to draw faces and the features of the face based on anatomy. And they're valuable in their own way as they give you an understanding of what you're drawing. What's different about this course is that my focus is on teaching you how to draw the person you see in front of you. I'll show you exactly what to look for to be able to capture the likeness of that person on paper. I've been teaching in-person drawing classes for many years, and so I've seen firsthand the common mistakes that people make when drawing faces. And I've developed this course directly from techniques that actually work when it comes to avoiding these mistakes. In this course, I'll show you how to accurately draw eyes, noses, and mouths, different methods for drawing the head, tips and tricks for finding the likeness of the person you are drawing. What you won't find in this course. This is not a course for learning how to draw characters. However, some of the content will definitely help you draw faces from imagination. It's also not an anatomy for drawing course, as we'll only be covering basic anatomy terms. So who is this course for? This course is for people who want to accurately draw the likeness of a person from a photograph or from real life. Ideally, you have taken the Learn to Draw course or have some basic drawing skills such as sketching simple shapes and shading a range of tonal values. However, as we study how to draw eyes, noses and mouths, you will find warm-up exercises designed to equip you with the drawing skills that you'll need for the following lesson. And during the lessons, I break the drawing process down into simple steps that are especially useful for beginners who think that they can't draw realistically. In each section of the course, you'll also find explanations of ideas and processes, practical worksheets, and suggestions for what to practice in your own time. At this stage, this course is primarily about drawing the front view of the face. However, in time I plan to add more lessons on alternative viewpoints, which you will have access to as they are added. As you take this course, you're welcome to share your work with me for individual feedback. You can also share work in my Facebook group, which is exclusively for my drawing students. I hope you're excited about getting started, and I look forward to seeing your work and sharing your journey with you as you discover that yes, you can draw realistic faces.